Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, if you are using this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back on your home screen, and guys now you need to open your settings. Scroll it down, click on general, and guys you need to scroll it below, and here you can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and you need to click on reset, and guys after this you can see here is the option of reset network settings. You have to click on it, and here you need to enter your passcode of your iPhone that you are using for unlock, and guys after this your network settings will be reset and your mobile data problem will be fixed. And guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys no need to worry, you have to go back, connect any Wi-Fi connection with your device, and after this you need to click on general and click on software update. And guys you need to update your device to latest iOS version. If you are using iOS 15, 16 or 17, then guys you need to update your device to iOS 18 or later. And guys after this you need to go back. So guys now you need to open your, here is the option of Apple Sport. So guys you have to open this Apple Sport, select your gadget here, scroll it down, and guys now you need to click on more option. And guys after this you need to scroll it below from here, and here you will see the option of mobile service. Simply you have to click on it, and guys now you need to wait for some seconds, and guys here you need to contact with Apple Support team. You have to tell your problem and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.